This is a momentous occasion. This is Fragrance is My Favorite F Word, my book. My book. I'm so excited. You are going to love this. This is a book about fragrance like no other book on the market. And I'm not just saying that. You'll see why in a minute when I get to open it. This is printed in Sharjah in the UAE. Ta-da! Okay, that's not the book, but let's get into it. I love the way that it's protected. It's wonderful. It's the first time I've seen it. I haven't seen it yet. So excited. Ta-da! You are seeing it at the same time as me. I've only ever seen it on my computer. Look at that cover. Oh, this is the back. This is the QR code where you can find more about me, Melanie Jane. An interactive guide to artisan perfumery by Melanie Jane Nightingale. That's me, of course. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'll tell you why in a minute. I color coded it. So it's got lots and lots of lessons. Thickness of it. What? You can print on the inside, which I absolutely love. So this is the inside of the book. It's filled with lessons. If you look at that one here, this I have here is the first lesson in the book. And can you see the picture? And next to it, there is an eye. And when you see that eye, you know that it's a QR code that leads to a video lesson with me in it. So it's either a PowerPoint presentation where I'm narrating about fragrance materials, fragrance triangle, fragrance families, perfume themes, training your nose, building accords, creating a complete perfume sample, and then scaling it up and down to create a complete fragrance. I have online courses, and this book combines my beginners and my intermediate perfumery courses. Those courses together, the cost is 700 euros. Actually dollars now, because I'm living in Dubai. So, you know, I'm cosmopolitan. But this book, if you get the paperback, is a fraction of the price of those courses, and they're combined in here. But how? I hear you ask, can you put an online course into a book that's tangible, that you can flick through it just like that? Can you see all the color coding as well, by the way? I color coded all of the sections. Orange is for beginners, purple is for intermediate, green is for aromatherapy, then we've got yellow, which is my secret fragrance formulary. The pink is the fun section, because I believe that education should be fun and engaging. I think you learn better that way. And the rosé section at the back, it's like a reference section. Why did I write this book? Because I wanted to put the convenience of my courses. Not everybody can afford my courses. People want to learn. I wanted to make it more accessible. I wanted to make it more affordable. Times are changing. Fashion, one day you're in, next day you're out, like Heidi Klum says in Project Runway. But what the book is, it's the most interactive perfume book ever that there has ever been, because I've read all of them. Trust me, I've got about 150 perfumery books. It has beautiful illustrations like this. So this is just like fun bits that are in there. And this is a quote: just like men, perfume is never perfect right away. You have to let it seduce you. Now, this is a quote about Jean Patou, created the original Joy fragrance during the Great Depression and basically launched it as the world's costliest perfume. But the best bit, do you want to know what the best bit is? Throughout the whole book, you will find QR codes just like this one. You'll see the little eye symbol above it, and then you'll know that it goes to a video lesson. Let's have a look and check one of the QR codes, because this is the most interactive fragrance book that you will find about perfumery, educational, everything that my students were paying hundreds of euros for. Not only do you have access to all of the video lessons, you have access to all of the workbooks, the guides, and the templates. Let's do it in real time. Now I've got the camera function on. I am now scanning that QR code that is there. I'm going to tap on the link, and I go to a Vimeo. It's just checking if the site connection is secure. And there we go. Module 1, check in. You get straight to the video. No signing in, no password, nothing. You get access immediately to the video.
Welcome to my Sane studio in Brand.
It's like 2 of us, because the world needs another me. But that's how easy it is. So you can literally, this is what I love about it so much. I'm not joking. I love this. So I'm so proud of it. It's up there with creating a fragrance for Carlsberg and doing perfumery workshops for Toyota. It's up there in the what I'm proud of, pat myself on the back moment kind of thing, you know, and I'm way too hard on myself. But what you can do is you can hold the book and you can read stuff in the book whilst you're watching a video. It's brilliant. I love it. I have been working on this edition for, I would say, the last year. I'm not joking, because I wanted to make sure that I had everything in there, crammed it in, and I've put a lot of thought into it. It's got bonus sections. So this bonus section about aromatherapy was in my advanced class, so you're actually getting even more than beginners and intermediate. It's got places as well in the book, which I really love, which is a place to breathe and make notes. But we've got fun bits as well, right? So we've got the pink section, which is, guess the scent. Did you guess what scent that was? It's iconic. Then we've got Dave's dilemma. Like, this is like based on my cat, Dave. What would Dave do? And all the fun bits to do with fragrance. There's my interview with Mandy Aftel. You've got scents, you've got a word search, all to do with fragrance. A fragrance future, could it happen, about scent implants, what does space smell like, we've got 12 must visit destinations. So this is the fun section, because I really believe, like I said, that the education should be engaging and it should be fun. That's how you learn. Don't you retain that information a little bit more? It's aromatherapy, and look. More QR codes, more lessons. There's loads of them throughout. Plus what I did is all of the documents and everything that I have in the course are actually in a fragrance library at the back of the book. I called it a fragrance library. So if you think, oh, I want to find the dilution ratios again, I have to flick through the book. No, you don't, because all of the documents are at the back of the book. So much thought, because that's the kind of person I am. I'm Melanie Jane. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you're not asleep, because my lessons are so engaging. This book is incredible. If I do say so myself, fragrance is my favourite F word. Will be available for sale in October once I've gone over it with a fine tooth comb, because one mistake I've already seen is this line down the front of the book, and that's my fault when I was designing the cover. So that's one thing I'm going to rectify right now. Make sure all the QR codes are working, and when it's for sale, stay tuned, because you'll be the first to know, and I'll give you the link and you can go and buy it on Amazon. But it's print on demand. It takes about a week for you to get it, but well worth the wait. The most interactive book about perfumery there ever was. If ever there was, I wish there was. I'm Melanie Jane. Fragrance is my favourite F word. I'm off to go and have a cocktail now. It's that time. Take care. See you soon. Mwah. Stay fabulous.